Hmm? Okay.
Oh yeah.
Strong.
Wait,
You know, so
I can't tell. I can't say. I'm so ashamed. So ashamed of myself. I'm so ashamed of myself.
why?
I just did.
Ano? She's ashamed of herself. Don't be. Need any water or anything?
It's okay.
You want anything? Ayaw mo na?
Okay.
Ayaw mo na?
Okay.
Dito lang kayo. Kami lang.
Okay lang makinig dito. Sabi mo. Kasi. Okay.
Are you doing something?
No, it's okay. Can I wash my hands? Sobrang saglit. Wait lang, Andy. Promise.
Yeah, go lang.
Sobrang bilis lang.
Okay ka lang.
Chismosa ka talaga.
It's okay. Ano ba? Okay ka lang? Ikaw umiyak.
Okay.
Ang gandang umiyak din.
Wait lang.
Mag-usap lang kami ni Mika.
Sige. Sige, tayo nga lang.
Sorry. Pasensya na ka.
God bless.
Pasensya na. Feeling blessed. Feeling good.
About? What is this about? Promise me you're not gonna judge me. Of course. Sige, promise. Yeah. Whatever this is, never gonna judge you. Never gonna go. Yeah. Can we let's face here?
Yeah.
Number nung sabi mo na may kausap sa yeah.
Tapos, sinabi niya sa akin kagabi.
Yeah.
And he told me na he doesn't know what they are daw, ganon. And
So they're
parang they never had their talking for 3 months, but they never really, I guess they've been talking consistently. Ganon. So I'm also confused. Like I didn't know what to say when he told me.
Yeah, right?
Sobrang
Wala akong nasa. Kasi like, he's not entirely single, di ba?
Yeah. Like, he's not like, and he's not single. So I
Yeah.
don't know what I'm supposed to be.
Yeah.
So, then he also told me na he's interested in me, gano'n.
Yeah, he tells
He's interested.
us din.
Yeah, so, I don't know how I'm supposed to, like act around, kasi, parang, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. Kasi, nagigilty ako.
Alam mo, it's not your fault. hindi ko makita yung fault mo. Hindi naman din sila exclusive. I don't think it's your fault at all. Kasi,
Nakakaiya kasi.
ano ka pa?
Nahihiya ako.
Hindi naman. Inisip mo ba parang third party ka na? Hindi naman. Alam mo, hindi ko nakikitang ganun. Kasi, di naman siya taken eh. Alam mo yun? And it's not just you. It's not just you. Kasi it's also his choice.
Like, pero I don't know what to do. I don't know what to tell him.
Gusto mo bang lumayo? Gusto mo muna siyang layuan?
I don't.
You don't want to, right? I know you.
As much,
I'm not judging you at all. I don't know ba't naisip na i-judge ka o kahit sino dito. Kasi alam namin, hindi naman siya hindi siya taken. I don't think you're at fault.
I know, but then the fact na I know there's someone involved.
Yeah.
Like, I'm not stopping. That's my, parang I feel so ashamed of myself. Kasi gano'n. Kasi alam ko na there's someone else involved. And I don't wanna hurt anyone.
Yeah.
I don't wanna, like, if I'm gonna stop, I might hurt ko.
And I know you'll hurt yourself. Masasaktan ka din, right?
Because I'm interested. Like, I don't know if I like him or not.
Yeah. But it's getting there.
Kasi I'm interested in him and the interest I feel sa kanya, hindi yung nafe-feel ko sa iba. Like, yun.
Advice mo.
Yeah, yun. But then I still don't know him that much.
Yeah.
So I can't say.
Yeah, that's why.
But I want to, like, get to know him. I feel like kasi na if we do that, I just, nagigilty lang ako kasi alam kong may iba siyang kinakausap. And even if they're not exclusive, there's still something going on.
Yeah.
And even Kobe doesn't know kung ano yung meron sila. So it's just, parang it makes me confused na.
I know.
I don't know what to do talaga.
Honestly, just sa inyong tatlo, sa'yo mahirap. Kasi like, saan ka lulugar, di ba? May pinapakita din siya sa'yo.
Exactly.
Everyone knows that. Everyone sees that na hindi lang, parang mutual. Ano mo yan?
Yeah, like, I know at first na I was the one who kept on making her rot.
Yeah.
But then, when I knew kasi about that someone, yeah, parang, I didn't like make her rot that much.
Yeah.
Like, we would like, magsasama kami, ganon.
You're getting closer, right?
Yeah, we were getting closer, but then it's not me who like keeps on initiating it.
Oh.
It's parang, parang ganon.
Yeah, I noticed that din, honestly.
So yeah, it just made me more confused.
Yeah,
because I don't want to hurt whoever she is. I don't want to hurt her.
I think,
I don't want to hurt me too. I don't want to hurt
yeah,
Coco. I don't want to hurt
know,
myself.
like, whatever you choose, it's gonna hurt someone. And I think this all depends, not just on you, pero yung pinaka-choice is on Kobe. Kasi like, he needs to choose whether, kasi kung pagpapatuloy nito, dapat establish na like, whatever
He has to know.
he has to stop it. I don't know how they're gonna stop
I
it.
don't know. Like, he has to like
They can talk.
figure out what they are.
Yeah. But I don't think he's sure din.
He isn't. He doesn't.
Feel ko talking stage.
Yeah.
Are they serious? Hindi din natin.
I can't say.
So that's why you're not at fault. Hindi mo naman kasalanan. So don't blame yourself too much. Kasi hindi naman, kung taken siguro siya, yun, dun kita sasabihan. Pero ngayon, hindi ko makita kung bakit ka at fault. Kasi parang, kung hindi naman sila exclusive, they're not dating, di ba? They're just, like, talking stage lang naman. So parang hindi naman serious. So like, I don't
But you know, the thought
Pero
of it lang na I know. And the fact na
I can't blame you. So, what do you plan to do? Anong plano mo?
idea.
Will you like distance yourself? Or will you talk to him about it?
I don't know.
And if you're gonna, I think, if mag-usap kayo, that kayo lang. Wala si Russo, wala si Chico.
For sure. Wala naman. Hindi naman. He told me naman nung wala sila. Kaming dalawa.
Yeah, it's better.
But I just don't know how I'm gonna tell him.
Do you want to tell him or you don't?
I wanna talk to him about it, but nothing's gonna happen if he himself has no idea what they are.
Yeah, honestly. So he really has to choose. Like, kasi interested din siya sa'yo eh. But hindi naman pwedeng interested siya sa'yo. Kasi interested din siya sa iba.
Yeah.
Kasi like, you're the one here eh. Hindi naman sila yung pwedeng mag-usap. So it's really hard sa'yo. I can see it. I think if I was there, kung ako din na sitwasyon, I wouldn't know what to do. So like, I'm not judging you at all.
That's...
Ano ka ba?
Wala
Wala ka naman yung masamang ginawa. I don't...
Parang kasi if I were to like see myself, I'm judging her right now. I'm judging me
Don't
right
be
now.
too hard on yourself. I swear. Kasi like you're not at fault eh. Hindi ko talaga makita. Kasi kung nakikita mo may kasalanan ka, I would tell you. Pero kasi hindi naman siya taken. I don't think that's...
I don't know. I really don't know. I mean, okay, sige. It makes me feel a bit more relieved na they don't have a label.
Yeah.
But yun pa rin, I'm still confused kasi malay ko ba kung ano yung, paano sila mag-usap. Malay mo, nag-I-love you ka.
Yeah.
Diba? Pwede
I think
kasi-
you need to ask him na. How do I ask? If he loves or if he likes
He
the
likes.
girl. Yeah. Parang gusto mo ba? Because like, you can, siguro pwede din kasi hindi naman sila exclusive. Alam mo, ang gulo. Paano nga, no?
Ang gulo.
Ang confusing. Like, pwede
High
kasi.
school pa kasi.
Oo, honestly, medyo bata
Diba?
pa kasi siya eh.
High school kasi. Joke, ang sama ko.
High school pa siya. Senior high. Ang hirap.
Diba? This is my first time dealing with this.
Yeah. And I know it's getting hard because like mas nagiging interested ka na no, compared before. That's why you're bothered. And it's okay. Kasi sa mga pinapakita niya din naman, sinuman mo. Sabi mo, hindi mo.
Squapo ko siya.
Yeah. Kasi
It's
sinasabi
like
niya,
my total type.
you see, that's it. And you live in the same house. Talagang mahirap yun. Tapos lagi kayo magkasama.
It's just, it makes everything,
It's
harder.
complicated.
I don't know what to do.
Yeah, so alam mo, sasamahan mo na kita dito until you decide. I think you need to decide. Kasi oras na umalis ako dito, lalapit yung mamaya. Di ba? Kaya dito muna ako. Dito muna ako.
Hindi, ikaw na lang. Why did you said kanina?
No, later na yun. Ano ka ba? Later na.
I just
Let's
don't
focus
know.
on this moment.
I don't know what to decide on.
Yeah, you should think about it. No pressure.
Yeah, I have been thinking. Okay, especially you don't.
Since when? Since when mo to iniisip?
Like, kasi, I feel like a cheesy person.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I legit understand.
Anyway.
Is he puffy? Puffy ba si Kuya? Hindi naman. Kasi parang mutual naman eh.
We may kulitan doon.
Yeah. Parang hindi naman niya intention. Alam mo yun? Like, hindi niya sinasadya. Ganun. Parang it's natural lang din. Ewan ko, from my perspective, di ko naman kayo nakasama pa na kayong dalawa lang.
Hindi ko kasi sure. That,
It is interested. That's what I
o
can
baka
see.
mabilis lang ako makilig lang.
No, I
It's
said
easier that-
naman. Nakakakilig naman talaga. Tapos type mo pa. Talagang, di
Oo
ba?
nga eh.
It's normal.
Hindi mo kami yung sobrang landian.
Yeah. I can see. Parang nagkukulitan lang kayo eh.
Yeah.
But like, there's something. You know?
It's
Like, it's not entirely platonic. Alam mo yun. Alam
Yeah.
din namin yun. But yeah, it's heavy kasi there's someone. Kasi pag ganun, ini-end mo muna lahat eh.
Hindi ka pupunta dito.
Diba?
Kaya yung ginawa ko, diba?
Diba? Dapat in-establish mo. Walang anything para pagpasok mo dito in case may mangyari. Hindi naman niya pwedeng kausapin. Paano niya kakausapin? Nandito nga tayo. Diba?
Yun na nga.
So, kailangan niya mamili. Pero wag mo sabihin na, pumili.
Ay, I don't want
No. Pero parang, bastos ka na. Kapal na. Pumili ka. Hindi ka pipili?
Ako?
Pila. Pero interested talaga siya sa'yo. At interested ka din. Pero kasi, kailangan niya isettle yung feelings niya na kung, alam mo yun, hindi naman pwedeng pagpatuloy niya to, tapos after, posible pa rin maging, ewan ko for me
Kasi diba,
Pero you
yun,
can't demand that.
yeah, diba, because it's temporary lang dito.
It's temporary
So I feel
lang.
like,
Feel ko temporary lang din yung kanila.